Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button so I can see you next time when I post. So today's video is going to be a little bit of a different one for me. It's going to be more of a makeup look and outfit. I think I'm gonna call this series Get the Look. The first one I'm so excited to bring to you is this Jane Birkin inspired look. So this is kind of one of her most famous makeup looks. I think Jane was a very plain and simple girl, plain Jane, but she really brought some cool elements to the style of the 60s going into the 70s. She wore a lot of white button-ups, polos, more button-ups. She always had the arms pushed up really loosely and like kind of really casual style. I think one of the main reasons I wanted to do this inspired look right now is because basket bags are so in. You're seeing them on the high street, Zara, H&M, Forever 21, and you're also seeing them in haute couture, of course, and just styled by everyone. So I think this is a really good time to bring back Jane's love for just wearing a basket as a handbag. Let's get into this. So I'm just going in with the Decium High Spreadability Fluid Primer. This is the Ordinary Colors Coverage Foundation. I'm just gonna plop it on my skin and then rub it in with my fingers because I haven't said this yet, but I should say it. I'm not a makeup artist. I don't do makeup every day. So I just kind of do stuff that works for me when I do makeup. So here it goes, this is my makeup. Okay, so that's pretty blended. I'm gonna go in with a concealer today. I just purchased the Eyes Lips Face concealer, HD lifting concealer. I got the lightest one I could find, so hopefully this is actually the lightest color. It's so cute and tiny. Ah! I keep getting concealers that are way too dark for me. I don't know if I'm incredibly pale. Something's up, because I'm just not good at finding the right concealer. Like, even this looks too dark. It's not incredibly brightening, but it is covering.
Okay, this concealer isn't too bad. It's too dark to be a brightening concealer like the ones actual makeup artists use. So we're gonna have to use it sparingly. As long as it blends in, I'm fine. And doesn't oxidize, man. I hate when... Oh, that's too dark!
Just using this brush from e.l.f. and just using this translucent powder. I'm so mad at that concealer.
Oh god, it's so dark. Why? Why can't I just find a concealer that's light enough for me?
This is just one of the e.l.f. contour bronzer palettes. So next is eyebrows. I'm just gonna go in and do my regular eyebrows. Sorry for my bangs. Here we have the Glossier Boy Brow. I really like this. It's small, compact. It has my eyebrows hair in it. Can't really see the brows. That's okay. Let me just see if you're in focus now. Can't tell. For Jane's eye look, we are doing, the lid is going to be neutral, while darker in the crease, and then a small little wing that drags downward. I'm using this light shade here that's just really neutral. I'm going in with this really short smudger brush. I'm gonna first off use this brown. It's not incredibly pigmented, but it is the darker brown in this palette. I'm kind of just gently leaving my eye open so that I can see where the natural contour of my eye is and just follow that. I think I'm just gonna go in for the last time with a dark brown. So I gotta be careful with this. Oh, look, already f***ed it up. I think the key to this look is having that really light eyelid and then the super dark cut crease. So we have this e.l.f. eyeliner. It's just like a basic liner felt tip, I believe. No shade, e.l.f., but this eyeliner is trash. Next, this liner just hates me. It doesn't want to like go on because there's no liquid in it. What is wrong? It's cruelty-free, it's fine. Okay, so I think I'm done with the eyeliner and I'm gonna throw this in the garbage now. I'm gonna go in with this shade and run that along the bottom. So next is the total like Jane part, adding lines that are like your eyelashes, and then it just adds this really cutesy doll-like effect on your lower lash. So this is done pretty sloppily, but if you had a good eyeliner, it could be done really cute and well. So I actually really like this mascara by e.l.f. Seems like every other product has kind of failed me today, but this mascara never fails. So the mascara definitely ties it all together. I think I'm just gonna add some blush now. And then I'm gonna go into my Too Faced Candlelight highlighter. I'm just lining my lips with this e.l.f. stain. And then I'm gonna go in with this Glossier Generation G lipstick in Leo. It's like a brown tone. So I think this is the finished makeup for this look. I'm just gonna go change into the little outfit.